So, hi everyone. We will be looking at how to create your Google Cloud Console YouTube API or any kind of API which you want to create. So simply type Google Cloud Console. Uh, if you have not created your account, you can create your account. It's a simple login process. You can create the account, and after creating an account, simply create a new project. Or even at time of creating account, you will be told to create a new project. So I'll create a new project. You can write demo Google APIs, or you can give any name which you want. So be ensure that you have got 300 credits, $300 worth credits you get upon sign up. So make sure you have activated this, because for each API call which you do, you will have to make some payments, or some like 1 paisa, 2 paisa will be charged, or maybe 1 rupee, 2 rupee will be charged per call. So just make sure that you don't run out of credits. You don't need to pay anything. You'll get $300 of credits free. So once you have created the project, just select that project demo Google API. So I'll go inside this project. Make sure the project name is appearing here. Okay. So after doing this, after this project has been picked, come over here, go to APIs and services, enabled API and services. So now you may want to enable Google Drive API or Gmail API or YouTube API or any kind of API for that matter. So you can simply come here and you can do enable APIs and services. All the Google products which we have, APIs are available for it. So it can be Google Drive or Google Chat or any API which you want. For now, I'm doing YouTube API. Just click on YouTube. So there are three types of API. I need the Google API V3. This is the API which I need. So simply do enable. So, and there are many other APIs which you might want to create. So enabled API, you are getting this. API has been enabled. Now you come to credentials part. Inside the credentials, you will get an option of create credentials. In the create credentials, there is API key. From here, you can create an API key. As soon as you create an API key, you can give a name YouTube YT API demo. And once you create it, here you have to select which API access do we want to give it. So I'll just do YouTube data. You can also give uh, other Gmail and other data, or any data API which you might want. There are other API like Google data API and all the other related API related to YT API. So what you are enabled, that only you can give. So let me click on this and create OK. One API is selected. If you want to authenticate, you can do this. Otherwise, for now, I'm skipping this step and just create on create. And once it is created, you will get that API key which you can use in any applications which you want. This is your API key which you can use.